In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Insta360 ONE X2 and then taking it out for a quick test run. So it's actually pretty cool how I came to have this. About 2 months ago, I picked up a Onewheel Pint. Been riding that pretty much every weekend since, and been watching lots of videos, and of course been dragging my wife into watching them along with me. And we've seen a lot of the people are using these selfie cams, this one right here in fact. Didn't really think about getting it myself, but my wife went ahead and surprised me and picked this up. So I don't really know a lot about it as far as the specs and whatnot, because I hadn't intended on buying it myself. So this is really going to be very much first impressions for me, and also taking it out right afterwards for a quick ride to see how it goes. But not only did she pick up the camera itself, but she also got the branded Insta360 64 gig SD card, and she picked up the selfie stick with it, which apparently acts as a tripod as well. So let's go ahead and get into this and take a look. I'm actually excited to try this out because, like I said, I've been watching so many videos lately of people using it, and the footage looks amazing that you get. And it's a little different from having a regular camera because you don't really have to worry about framing your shot just right the first time. You can reframe it after the fact and get everything set up, so it looks like it's going to be very flexible. There we go. And might as well open up the selfie stick here. Yeah, feels pretty nice. It's made out of a just plastic material, but it has a nice little kind of grippy pattern on here. You can tell these are the tripod legs that pop out. Oh, apparently you have to push. Oh, that's pretty nice. So you push that and have it set up like a tripod. So very nice. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so there it is. It feels nice and sturdy. Better than I thought it would. Actually got a little bit of a rubberized outer shell on the sides. Plastic, but it's a soft touch, nice plastic on the front and back. But very heavy, more so than I thought it would be. And then let's see what else we have here. And let's see, we have stickers. Everybody has to give you your stickers today. Onewheel also came with stickers when I picked that up. And of course the Apple devices I've got come with stickers, so everybody wants to give you stickers nowadays. And then it looks like we just have some warranty books. It looks like something on the waterproofing, as well as a quick start guide. Little microfiber cloth that it comes with. Of course has the Insta360 branding on it as well. And then I believe this is the carrying case. Feels like a wetsuit type material. There's supposed to be a charging cable somewhere. Okay, so I had to take a moment to take a look at the quick start guide to figure out how to use this thing, because I didn't know where to put the memory, but I did at least figure out a few things. So this hole on the side here is a microphone, along with a microphone underneath both camera. We have the indicator lights on the front and back, shutter button, of course the touch screen, power button, which also acts as a function button of some sort. This over here on the side that I couldn't figure out is apparently the speaker. And then, of course, the USB-C charging on the side. And then when you pull the battery out, inside the battery compartment is where the memory card goes. Unfortunately, sometimes you do have to read the manual. I know I don't always like to do that, but I guess sometimes we have to. Feels like it's in. Okay, it seems good. I don't have the little error message I saw on the screen earlier. The bottom here uses just a standard 1/4 inch thread, which works with a selfie stick or any other 1/4 inch thread you would have. There's fully extended, so that should set pretty stable now. Easy enough to collapse. And then All right, well, instead of me messing around and trying to figure out what to do on camera here, let's just take this out and do some recording and see how it comes out. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. This was a great day to get out on the one wheel, do a little riding, do a little recording. I hope I got some good footage for you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up, leave those comments down below, subscribe for more cool tech videos like this, and a special thanks to my wife for picking up this awesome gift. I'm going to enjoy this for a long time to come. And until next time, this has been Billy with Geek Home Living.